2025 Prelim Itong School Paper 1 Booklet B, Question 30. The shop had some bags for sale. After selling 28 bags in the morning and 5/8 of the remaining bags in the afternoon, 1/4 of the bags were left unsold. How many bags were sold altogether? Okay, the shop had some bags. Okay, let this be the total number of bags. After selling 28 bags in the morning, right, we sell 28 bags sold, and 5/8 of the remaining bags. Let's divide our remaining into 8 units. Okay. 5/8 was sold in the afternoon, so 5 units here were sold. Okay, this is also sold. 1/4 of the bags were left unsold. This is 1/4. Now, if 1/4 gives you 3 units, see 1 unit, 2U, 3U, that means the entire bar is 3U times 4, 12 units. Right? So this whole thing is 12 units. And there were 8 units here. That means 28 bags give us 12 units minus 8 units, which is 4 units. Alright, so 4 units is 28 bags. 1U is 28/4 is 7 bags. What's our question? How many bags were sold altogether? Okay, let's calculate 5 units. That's what was sold in the afternoon. Okay, so 5 times 7 is 35 bags. This is in the afternoon. Now total sold. Let's take in the morning 28 bags plus in the afternoon 35 bags. That gives us 63 bags altogether. Alright, our answer 63 bags.